Hey there, how are you doing today? This is my another episode, and in this one today we are going to show how the character is going to use different animation to attack the character. We're going to add bit more variation and also change some camera settings and all, so that it's a bit more fun and more interesting for us. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also don't forget to share it with your friends. I'm still learning. The video rip uploads are a bit slower as I'm trying to understand how to work things out. And yeah, let's get started. Thank you.
Hello, so let's get started now. We are gonna now add some more animations to our character. Like for now, as you can see, the character can only perform one attack. So we're gonna add some more attack. We'll add some randomization. So what I have done, I've already got few attacks like attack 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And for all the attacks, I have made an animation montage. Like if I click on attack 3, I have already added the start and end katana trail, which I have explained in my previous video if you have not seen it. And obviously, to make the randomization nice and seamless. So once the character performs this, after this, I want it to kind of blend out and perform another attack if you're spamming our ball. Or that we can put here a nice blend time of, let's say, 1 second. This is something which needs to be tested. Uh, and I would say rule that pretty much same for all. But for this one, you see the animation is a little longer. So you can add maybe 1.4. Uh, yeah. And this one also like about 1.20. That would look good. And yeah, 1.2 of I guess what. Uh, so yeah, this is all good. And yeah, now we're gonna add digital animation to our right attack katana, where now to have some randomization, we are gonna get select. So again for the option, I will choose the attack 2, and for index, I'll add a random integer. So the maximum value are gonna be for our game. I will just put like 2. So it's 0, 1, and 2. And can add this one. Can add this one. Let's add another one, 3, just for the sake. Uh, now let's give it a try. So yeah, see, it's creating random animations. So yeah, it is working. So now the next thing which we're gonna fix is this one. Like when I'm touching, it's kind of like the camera is kind of colliding. So it's a simple fix where we go to our character. Instead of ragdoll, we choose custom, and under the camera option, we just click ignore, and it should work. Like, yeah, it is working. Don't worry about the collision. We kind of need that for now, but we'll fix that later. Hope you like the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Uh, I'll try to get in touch with my friends and colleague, and I'll try to Google around as well how to fix this thing, and hopefully I come up with a fix soon. I'll still continue the video, and yeah, the logics are all fine and right, but it definitely has to do with something around here. So I'll try to fix it. Thank you very much.